Today I'm showing you how to schedule calls on WhatsApp with your friends and family using the new scheduling feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Calls tab. Open WhatsApp and tap the Calls tab at the top or bottom of your screen depending on your device. Step 2. Create new scheduled call. On the Calls tab, you'll find your recent calls, and right above that, you'll find options like Call, Schedule, Favorites, and more. Select Schedule. Step 3. Add call title. Enter a title for your call. For example, Family Weekly Catch-Up or Team Meeting. This helps everyone know what the call is about. Step 4. Add description. If you want to add more details about the call, tap the description field and type in additional information. This is optional but helpful for giving context. Step 5. Set start time. Tap on Start Time and choose the date and time you want your call to begin. Use the date picker to select the day, then set the exact time. Step 6. Set end time if optional. If you want to specify when the call should end, tap the switch next to end time to enable it. Then select the time you want the call to end. This is useful for letting participants know how long the call will last. Step 7. Choose call type. At the bottom, tap on Call Type. Choose whether you want to have a video call or a voice call. Video calls show everyone's cameras, while voice calls are audio only. Step 8. Review and continue. Once you've added all your call details, tap Next at the bottom. Step 10. Select participants. Choose the contacts or group you want to invite to your call. You can select multiple individual contacts or an entire group. Scroll through your contacts list and tap on each person you want to invite. Step 11. Send invitations. Once you've selected all participants, tap Next at the bottom. Your call invite will be sent in a chat message to the selected contacts or group. Step 12. View your scheduled call. Return to your Calls tab. You'll see your upcoming scheduled call at the top under Scheduled Calls. Managing your scheduled call. Tap on the scheduled call to see options. You can join the call when it's time, or tap Edit in the top right corner to modify call details, change participants, or cancel the call if needed. For invited contacts, participants will receive the call invite in their chat. They can tap the invite to view details and let you know if they can attend. WhatsApp will send them a reminder before the call begins so they don't forget to join. Joining the call. When it's time for your scheduled call, tap on Join on the call card in your Calls tab or in the chat message. Invited contacts can do the same to enter the call. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a call on WhatsApp and invited your contacts to join at the scheduled time.